Welcome to Cultivating Inner Beauty, where we're all about loving our healthy selves from hair, skin, and nutrition. And that, my friend, starts from real. I talked on brain fog. You know, that thing that causes you to be easily distracted, causes you not to have as much focus as you would like, that thing. I talked on that, and one of the causes for it is your diet. And so in this video, I'm just going to share what to eat and what not to eat when it comes to brain fog. So with that being said, when it comes to our gut and our brain, they're actually closer than you may think. The gut and brain connection is actually connected by this nerve called the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve tells your body to perform involuntary functions, such as your breathing and digestion. It helps with your heart rate and blood pressure, just to name a few. And this carries the signal between the two areas. So basically, when eating is involved, the vagus nerve tells the brain that digestion needs to take place, and then that's how the whole process begins. When you eat a food that causes inflammation, such as your processed foods, then that could interrupt the communication between the two. So what foods should be avoided? Well, first are your refined carbs. These are your processed sugars. You see a lot of them in your breakfast cereals. And it's in a lot of things, in a lot of your breads, muffins, cakes, all of the good things. You probably should avoid it because it causes high spikes in blood sugars. When your cells have too much sugar or glucose, the chemical pathways become overloaded. Another type of food you probably want to steer away from are your vegetable oils, such as your canola oil. The problem with these are that they are filled with omega-6 fatty acids, which actually helps to promote inflammation. So now that we know the type of food to avoid, let's get into this list of the foods that we should eat to avoid the fog. Number one are your green leafy veggies. They're rich in vitamin C, which helps to promote cognitive function. It also rich in lutein, which is great for promoting better brain function. So with those two main actives in your green leafy veggies, you want to be sure you're eating a lot of those every day. Number two, beans. Your third choice is salmon. When it comes to your legumes and your salmon, these are both a great source when it comes to omega-3, which helps to promote brain health and fight that inflammation that you may be experiencing. Next on the list is turmeric. Turmeric's main antioxidant is called curcumin, which is known for fighting inflammation as well as oxidative damage. I use this a lot when it comes to my smoothies. I just add a dash of it, not enough to taste it completely, but just enough for it to do its job. I also use it in a lot of my foods as well. So yeah, it's great for fighting inflammation, and I encourage you to try it. The last thing on my list that I'll mention to you are eggs. Eggs are rich in choline, which helps to improve memory and function. If you're not a lover of eggs, then you could also opt for asparagus or collard greens. This is also rich in choline as well. So those are my top 5 foods when it comes to your brain health, and I hope this was helpful for you guys. When it comes to brain fog, you want to be sure that your diet is key to getting rid of that. Of course, there's other ways to get rid of brain fog that I mentioned in my previous video. Be sure to check that out. But this is a staple when it comes to getting rid of that. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, beautiful.